Alright, Pratik. I'm pretty sure this is not my normal background. Yes, I keep on finding new places. Aiden doesn't like me being on his bed. Go figure. Anyway, today in class I had a speech thing and I completely drew blank. Because my question was, if you were to die with anybody dead or alive, who would it be? I said, the alive person, because dead people creep me out. Good beginning. At least I thought so. And then I said Neil Gaiman, because you know how much I adore his books. I love Neverwhere, I love American Gods, and I especially love Marvel 1602, which he started. He also did Whatever Happened to the Cape Crusader, which was pretty good for a Batman book. That he even attempted to do so is pretty amazing, but also mainly because he made DC's Vertigo brand with Sandman. Really good guy, well, at least very interesting guy that I'd want to meet. However, in the audience, there was a person who had the slight buzzer. It was an easy button, happened to be for Staples during that craze. And he had one finger poised over that button in case I said, or. I don't usually do that. I pause, and that's just what I did, because I couldn't figure out what he was pointing down to. I thought my fly was down for something. I can't believe I just said that. And safe journeys. Control on.